Hello guys and welcome to Quick Solution. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn off comments to your profile picture on Facebook. So after you open the Facebook app, you'll have to go and hit this icon with the three lines right here at the top right and then go to your profile. So right here, as you can see, there is my Facebook profile. I'm going to hit on that and select see profile picture. So there is actually no button that will make us turn off the comments on our Facebook profile, but I'll show you a workaround for that. So what you can do is hit this icon with the three dots right here and select edit privacy. So right here, instead of selecting the public, you will have to select and press this option only me. So if you select that option, no one would be able to comment on your profile picture anymore. So this is all for today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.